Okay guys, now for this one, example number 4, the very first thing it says is evaluate. And I know with evaluate, I've got to plug in and simplify. Now, to plug in, I need something to plug it into. So I'm going to write the parentheses in place of the variables, which you guys should too because it helps keep those signs straight. Alright? So, instead of writing C, I just put parentheses for it. Same thing for the B, minus. Now these are the big parentheses. Absolute value, little parentheses for the A, minus, little parentheses for the C, and then I close it. Now I need to plug this stuff in. So the first one was C, and C is equal to -1. The next one was B, and that's equal to 5. The third one is A, that's -4. And then the last one is C again, so that's -1. Do you see? Some people might get these two negatives confused if they didn't have parentheses in there. Okay? Alright, now let's go ahead and rewrite this. I can rewrite this as the absolute value of -1 minus 5 minus parentheses the absolute value of -4 minus parentheses -1. Close parentheses. Okay? Now, let's simplify that. Let's go ahead and work from there. The absolute value of -1 is 1 minus 5 minus, and then when I look in the parentheses, the absolute value of -4 is 4. And then I've got some housekeeping right here. Minus a negative. I need to write that as a plus 1. Okay? Now, I just need to use PEMDAS. I need to simplify what's in the parentheses. I get -1 1 minus 5 minus, and inside the parentheses is 5. I don't really need those parentheses anymore now that I've combined 4 and 1. I can just write it as 5. And guys, that leaves me with 3 terms. +1, -5, come on smartboard, and -5. I'm going to add my negatives first. If I've got 5 negatives here and 5 negatives there, that means I've got 10 negatives. Okay? Now I'm left with 2 terms, a +1 and a -10. And when I combine those, I get -9. Alright? Great job, guys. You're going to have some of those for homework, and I like those. So make sure you do a good job practicing that. All right, good job, guys.